Welcome to the Voice Practice app that runs on both Apple, Android, smartphones, and tablets. If you are an Apple user, you will need to go to the App Store and search Voice Practice as one word, and please install it on your device. When you're ready, you will touch Open. Please make sure you allow Voice Practice to send you notifications. If you're a Droid user, please go to the Google Play Store and search under Apps the word Voice Practice, all one word. Make sure you're searching apps and not something else like games or books, otherwise it won't appear. Go ahead and install it on your device. For Droid users, you need to go through these permissions. You may deny this one. You don't need to allow Voice Practice to take pictures and record video. You may also deny this. You do not need to allow Voice Practice to access the device's location. You absolutely need to allow this, and I would also suggest you select while using the app. If you select only this time, then every time you go to record, it's going to prompt you with this permission, which is going to get really annoying. So select while using the app. If you deny this, then you will not be able to use Voice Practice. You also need to allow the Voice Practice app to access photos and media on your device. This is important because the audio files are recorded to the device, and the app then communicates with the media on your device and submits it to the server to analyze the results. So you also have to allow this. If you don't, then you can't use the Voice Practice app. Once you've done all that, whether you're using a Droid or an Apple device, you now are at this screen and you will select either login or register. You're going to select register if you're a completely new user to Voice Practice and also a new user to Voice Evaluate. You're going to select login if you've used Voice Practice before or you've used Voice Evaluate before. So looking at register, you're going to go ahead and insert your first name, last name. You do not need to put your phone number, but you can if you want. A legitimate email address and a password. If you're selecting login because you've used Voice Evaluate or Voice Practice before, you're going to have to enter in that same email address and the same password you used before and hit go. If you can't remember your password, then you would select Forgot your login, click here first, follow the steps on the screen. Then you will go to your email and get a reset password in either inbox, spam, or junk. Then you'll come back to the screen, and now you're going to select enter, reset PIN, and new password, click here second. Follow the prompts on the screen, and now you will be logged in because you've created a unique password for this reset option. It's really important when you create your password that you create a password that's at least 8 characters. It must contain 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and also a number. Once you are logged in, you will see this screen. You have to go to the email account that you inserted as your username. Check your inbox, spam, and junk folders for the email so that you can activate the account. And now you will be taken to the home screen, which is called My Dashboard. And if you have any Anchor practice sessions, they will appear here. If you need to view results, you will click that. If you need to go to settings to change your email or password or anything, you could do that. If you are an app user not linked to a clinician, you would click Assign Anchor Practices to create your own practices. And there is a log out button, but I would suggest not using that. You can swipe the app away, but never really log out.